Four five double zero.
4500 people. Okay. After that, calculate 10% visitors. Take this 10%. So it will come around 450, right? Right? 450. So total how much it is coming? 4950.
50.
Yes, this is the total number of people for this project. Okay. This point is clear.
50.
4950 people. Okay. If you are doing for any commercial project, okay, how to calculate the number of people? If you are dealing with commercial project, you will have the built-up area. For example, the built-up area of that project is 10,000 square meter. Okay, so you have to consider one person per 100 square, sorry, 10 square meter or 100 square feet. Okay, 10 square meter or 100 square feet. You have to consider. That means how much you'll get here? You'll get around 1000%, right?
Come again, come again.
One second. Ten square meter. Okay, 10 square meter, one person. So that means how much it is? 1000 square meter, 10,000 square meter, right? So how much will be the people?
Totally
Understand?
1,000.
Yeah. Understand, no? Yeah. Abdul, clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay.
Clear.
Yeah. Next point to write down, tank capacity. Write down tank capacity. One second. And here we are considering gravity system. Okay. In commercial, we'll discuss about hydrodynamic system. First, we'll discuss about gravity system. So for gravity system, how many number of tank you will have? Ankit?
Two sir.
2.
Yes. Correct. Okay. You'll have OSD tank and UG tank, right? Before tank, you should know water demand. Write down step 3 or 3.1, you write down water demand. After that, you will calculate the tank capacity. Write down water demand. Water required per day. Okay. So how to calculate water required per day? We have 4950 people as per norms. Okay, it vary from location to location. Just you have to understand the concept. For example, where you have more sufficient water, there the water limits per person is more. If you consider other countries where there is scarcity of water, in that case the water requirement is less, right? So for India, generally we are following 135 liters per day per person. Right? So calculate how much you will get water requirement per day. This is per person, 135 liters per person per day. So you have 4950 people. So calculate how much water required per day.
5,68,000.
5 lakh.
668,250. 4950 people we are having. No? Just
Yes.
need to multiply.
Multiply into 135.
668,250.
Once again, not clear.
668,250.
How much? Abdul Gam.
5,68,250.
You are getting two different value. 135 multiplied with 4950.
50.
Oh, what Ankit told, he got the correct answer. 668,250. Right? So if you see here, 669, okay, cubic meter. So write down another one. 1 cubic meter is equal to how much liter? 1000 liter. Okay, this here write down. So we got 669, or you can write down 670 also, round off to 670 also accepted. Is to round of value. Okay, this is the water requirement per day for that entire project. Okay. In water supply, okay, you have to tell in cubic meter. 670 cubic meter. But for drainage, you cannot tell cubic meter, you have to tell in KLD. Okay, kiloliter per day. For drainage, STP, capacity, all this you have to tell in KLD. Right? Understood?
Yes.
Next is we got total 670 cubic meter water requirement per day. So once you got the water requirement per day, so next what you have to calculate? Tank capacity.
Tank size.
Capacity, not size. Size is once you get the capacity, you can find out the size. Okay. Generally, in UG tank, if you see, again you have how many tanks in UG tank? Ignore fire tank. How many tanks will have?
2 tank will be there.
One will be.
OST and
Ankit, how many tank will be there in UG tank? Or how many? What are they? Raw water tank and treated water tank. Right?
you can tell it, no, underground tank and over tank.
No, that is different. In underground tank, you have two tanks. One is raw water and treated water, treated tank. Okay. After raw water, it will go to treated water.
Treated water.
Yeah. In between, you will have WTP. Right. Write down the capacity. This is for 1 day. Here you can mention per day. Right. So here for raw water, how much you have to keep? 1.5 day storage. 1.5 day storage. That means how much requirement? Multiply with 1.5 into 670. How much you are getting?
1005.
005. Abdul, you are getting the answer?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So next is treated tank. Treated tank, you have to give storage 1 day. Okay. combine of this raw water and treated, you have to give minimum 2 day, up to 3 day you can give. Generally this is practice 2.5 day storage. Okay, and you will have storage in OST as well, right? So you got the tank capacity of raw water and treated water, which is 670. Right? Next is OST tank. OST tank, you have to give half day storage. Okay, so how much it is coming? Calculate.
5.
Much,
335. 335.
335. All of you got same answer?
Yes.
Okay. So now your tank is completed. Tank capacity. So next you have to calculate you see here building occupant you have calculated. Okay. Tank capacity with water requirement per day you have calculated. Velocity you meant write down. In plumbing system you have to maintain a velocity 1.2 meter per second to 2.5 meter per second. Okay. So how to calculate the flow?
Area and velocity.
Area into velocity. Okay, that is yeah, that way you can find, or other way, easiest way I'll tell. You have underground tank flow. First, can I erase this all of you?
Okay, you can rise.
This is your tank. Okay. For example, you have a fire tank 1, fire tank 2. Okay. After that, raw water. This is rainwater.